Hi friends, my name is Kanchan and you're watching Glamour Unleashed. Today I'm going to talk about my February favorites. So today I'll be talking about skincare, hair care and my makeup favorites that I've been loving in the month of February. So let's get started. The first product I have today is this Soap and Glory Creamy Body Wash. This is an amazing body wash. I have been loving this whole of February. I use this full February each and every day. It's very moisturizing. Sometimes I don't even need a moisturizer after taking a bath with this. The second product I have today is this very cute bottle of Victoria's Secret Pink Warm and Cozy Body Lotion. Now let me tell you, if it's really harsh winters, this won't be moisturizing enough for you. But guys, if you stay in India and you know the winters here, it's hardly 4 months. So I guess this is a very nice for your summers or spring or autumn because it will keep you moisturized. It is non-greasy, so it won't feel heavy on your skin. And moreover, it has a very nice smell. When you apply it, you'll smell like vanilla all the day. It has a very warm scent, not overpowering vanilla scent. I guess you understand, which we have in that store-bought sponge cakes. It doesn't have a smell like that. So it's very nice and it's quite moisturizing for India's weather. So I think it's a really nice buy. The second product I have is now a perfume. This is from Cartier. So this has been for quite a while in my vanity, but I started using this month only. Sorry, last month only, and I was quite surprised by this. I don't know why I wasn't using it for the longest time. It's really nice, you guys. It's very refreshing and very it's very it's not wintry, it's not summery, it's perfect for your spring. Okay, so I think this is a very nice perfume. And it's strong. If you like strong smells like I do, so you'll really love it. Guys, do give it a try if you like perfumes, and you'll really like it. It's not masculine, I should say you that. It's really feminine and it's really nice, and it's strong but feminine. So I think it's really nice. So girls whoever like strong but feminine perfumes, they should try this perfume. It's really a nice thing. Now the second product I have for you is Patanjali Aloe Vera Kesh Kanti Hair Cleanser. Now coming to this, I had some doubts for Patanjali products, but after reading so many reviews and seeing many other blogger friends using this, I thought let me give this a try, and let me say you, from then onwards, the day I have started, now this is my second bottle. I know including this in my favorites video was not justified, but can't help it, but I have been using this for the whole month of January as well as February. I think I'm going to keep this for the rest of my life because it has become my holy grail shampoo. It moisturizes my hair, it doesn't leave that frizzy feeling, and it's really nice, you guys. I'm really satisfied with this shampoo, and you can see the love I have given this. Used, abused, everything, and this much is left, and I'll need to buy a backup of this soon. So this is another favorite of mine in the month of February. Now coming to kohl, I have this Lakme Absolute Kohl Kajal. As you can see, this is one of my favorites. Now in winter, I don't like to do much of eye makeup because removing the makeup is a lot of task for me. So what I like to do is I just draw a line over my lids, and with the smudger, I just like to smudge it a little and get that smoky effect, and I'm good to go. For the next lip options, I do have 3 options for you. I loved all the things pink. I'm sorry, but I had these pink lipsticks. The first one is Color Bar Take Me As I Am lipstick in the shade Tango Pink 01. So this is a real nice pink shade. You can see this is a pink that is not bright, not muted, the perfect pink. It has this is not a very cool toned pink, this is something a warm toned pink, so it really goes well with my complexion, and I really like this pink on my lips. The second lip color I was wearing throughout the month was this Maybelline lip polish in the shade Matte 1. This is like my go-to color. If I don't understand what I should wear or I'm in a hurry, I always wear this shade. I just love this color. I don't know what I'll do once I run out of it. I just love this shade. You can see this is a very nice pink shade. It saves me a lot of time, like in the thinking time that what I need to wear, what I don't need to wear. Another lip color I really loved wearing in the month of February was this Faces Ultim Pro Lip Creme. This is a very nice hot pink color. Let me say you. I think my camera is catching the name well. It's in the shade Fuchsia Sparkler, and let me say you, this is a very nice hot pink. I love the way it moisturizes my lips and plumps it in a very good manner, you know. Let me show you the color. See the way it does not settle into a very matte finish. As you can see, this shade here is the Fuchsia Sparkler Faces color. It's really a very moisturizing, as it's a lip cream. It's supposed to moisturize your lips. It's very moisturizing. I love it. It doesn't settle matte. It settles into a glossy finish, and I really like it because in winters always putting matte lipstick, it just ruins your lips. So I think this is a really nice option who does not want to wear anything matte but they love glossy things. So I think this is a real nice option if they want to try Faces Ultim Pro Lip Creme. Do try this, guys. This is an amazing. You can obviously check shades and get what you really love. For nail pins, I have been wearing pink, and I don't know why pink. So the first shade I was wearing the whole month was this Nykaa shade in the and this is, I think, the Candy Yum or Bubble Yum. Yes, Bubble Yum number 23. I love this. This is a very nice color. I have seen everybody wearing this, and hence I had to get it and I had to wear it. The second nail paint I have been loving this month is Faces Splash range, and this shade name is Pink Flamenco 21. This is a very nice pink shade. I think this is a hot pink, and the earlier pink I showed, that Nykaa one, that was that was a baby pink shade, and obviously I think it will suit every skin color. All the shades I'm showing here will suit everyone. And the next thing is one of my new finds, and that's Revlon's matte nail polishes, and this is in the name Rosy Matte. This is a very beautiful pink, powder pink shade. It's really nice. It settles into a matte finish, and I really loved it. Though I don't find them very attractive, but I don't know why. This shade, and I got one more shade. I'll show you that in my one of the next videos. I really find them really nice and very flattering on your nails. So please do check out the shades that look flattering on your nails and then do buy it. And I'll also provide links to all the products I've shown in the description box. Do check it out for further details. So I guess that's it for my February favorites. So guys, if you liked my video, then don't forget to subscribe me and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.